In this video, I'll be walking you through the invoice lookup function, and it's a global report that allows you to look at an invoice, and on the invoice lookup result, you'll be able to make all the edits. You can open up the invoice as well, and you can do other stuff which I'll be showing you in this video. So to start off, you're going to move your mouse over to Global Reports, scroll down to the second last tab where it says Invoice Lookup and click on that. And on this page, you'll find one search bar, and all you have to do is put in the invoice number. Unlike the Invoice Report tab, on this tab you're opening up one invoice at a time. And the difference is, on the Invoice Lookup you can just make edits and changes faster, as long as you know which invoice you're meant to be opening. And so the result that you get is a small tab showing very quick options. It'll show you the invoice number, the bidder as well as their bidder ID. You can enter a PUD location right here, and you can also mark the invoice as picked up. As well as that, from this tab, you can open up the invoice directly, and you can make any edits just like you would if you access the invoice page from the bidder account or from the auction. And what this will do is it'll open up a window on this page where you can make the exact same changes as if you were to reach this from the admin account or through the bidder's account, including the regular edit options here. Then you'll see the full breakdown of the invoice and any other information that you added to it. You'll also be able to print the invoice. And what this will do is it'll open up the print view on whichever software you have on your computer. And then from here you can either save it as a PDF, or if you have a printer you're connected, you can print it. The invoice is also opened up on the website as well, underneath the view. You can scroll left to right if it's too large, which is it is in my case, using the mouse. And once you're finished with the invoice here, you just close all the tabs, and you can either click on finished or you can click on the close box on the top right hand side of the box. So that about does it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and thank you again for watching.